Udaipur, the city of lakes, basks in the glory of Rajasthan, incorporating both the rawness of nature and the dynamics of forward-moving world. Amidst lands of the Bravehearts, home to historic royalties and cultural bounties, nested is a modern educational institute, the Pacific Group of Institutions. Pacific has a 100-acre lush green campus, cocooned by the picturesque Aravali Hills at Pratapnagar Extension, Airport Road, Debari, Udaipur. Since its inception, Pacific aims at fostering talents of youth by carving a path of their prosperous future. It has the best-of-breed pedagogy that inculcates sense of both affability and sincerity among students and teachers. The institute continuously strives to develop an educational environment that enables students to acquire knowledge that is individually, socially, and intellectually transformative.
Pacific Group is known for quality and innovativeness in education and research. We have been adopting a unique blend of pedagogical approaches which help the students to develop their potentials and attain their intrinsic potentials. Actually, instead of confining to only lecture method, we have been using a variety of pedagogical approaches. Like we have also been using peeragogy, that is peer-to-peer learning. We have also been using transformative pedagogy. We have also been using a variety of training programs, and even our study circles are known throughout the country.
Pacific offers courses in the field of dental, management, engineering, polytechnic, pharmacy, hotel management, law, computer application, basic and applied sciences, social science and humanities, business studies, agriculture, dairy and food technology, journalism, gym, yoga, fashion technology, fire and safety, education and research. The university aims to propagate learning of students of diverse culture and beliefs, along with striving to render their multiplicity and a cohesive ground for knowledge.
Pacific University, right from its inception, has always focused on promoting quality of research. During this short period of its tenure, the university students, especially PhD students, have published their papers in various recognized journals which are of international repute. The university has also organized various workshops, seminars, conferences where students can participate, can learn from dignitaries which are over the dais, comes as keynote speakers.
The modern infrastructure meticulously merges with the natural landscape to give the university students a holistic learning experience. The institute provides its students with a whole wide range of amenities, both infrastructural and technological, including state-of-the-art classrooms, separate hostels for boys and girls, sophisticated laboratories, as well as a well-stocked library. Students are being placed across various sectors and throughout the length and breadth of the country as well as overseas. Pacific continues to groom future entrepreneurs and executives with its alumni in charge of superior positions in various companies across the globe. The college organizes various sports events and provides its students with opportunity to participate at state and national level tournaments. It enhances the team building skills of the students and help them in their overall personality development.
We at Pacific not only concentrate on curricular activity, we equally give importance for co-curricular or for their talent development also. The trophies which you can see around me is also an evidence of the students who perform or excel in co-curricular activities. So this overall helps in the development of the student.
So, if you're looking for an institute which focuses on the academic development of the students as well as work towards enhancement of their personality and transform them into essential assets for the industry, do visit Pacific Group of Institutions, Udaipur.